Yep, here's some more. Please don't let that be all. Yes!
Yes.
Just a few more, please. Oh, I really missed it this time. Please, just a few more. Wait, please. Yes, got them. Quite pretty, wouldn't you say, folks? Oh, missed him. Oh. Ah, there we go. Kind of hard to get from fireworks view from behind those trees. We need to find out these bugs that are flying about. But yeah. Yeah, I'm doing a lot better in filming fireworks this year than I had another time before. Ah, there we go. Oh. I can see some smoke fumes coming up in the air from all those firecrackers and poppers and such. Ah, unique angle get from the street light. Oh. Oh, come now. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes before I head out for reals, because my arms are really starting to get tired. But yeah, I'm really enjoying all these lovely fireworks. But yeah, like, even where I'm standing, I can still hear like a whole bunch. Oh, I missed them. Totally missed them. Why must I distract myself with my own talking? Don't you just hate that, folks? Ah, there's some more over there. Too bad I can't zoom any more than and at the max currently. There we go. Very pretty. Okay, folks, I'm at my limit. I've seen more than enough, and my arms are really starting to get tired from all this filming. But still, it was worth it. But yeah, again, I hope you're all having a good day or night wherever you are, and And seriously, when it comes to 4th of July, the fireworks are just phenomenal. And they're all over the place. Especially when they go bang all over the place willy-nilly. But yeah, I hope you're all doing well and fine. And until next time, folks, TCFN. Bye-bye.